The dealing term in French is bad. You imagine the worst case scenario, but there is no reason of that, because we make simply a deal when you say that in English.
Probably you're saying I can be crazy again when you see the title of my video, but I'm pretty sure in the end it will be a good idea. Hello everyone, Anthony here and welcome to another video. Today we will talk about this computer, but not about specs especially, about something, well, a bit special. Most of you, or maybe most of you, knows the program TV wheelers dealers. The concept is to buy a car with minimum value because it's not in a perfect state, try to repair it to make some money on it, but to have in the hand a benefit on it when you resell it. I want to do the same with computers. And today, the first one I will do is this one. I don't know if I will do lots of these, it's just a try with one, and I'm pretty sure if you're doing that too much, it starts to come to be a bit commercial, to have a shop, so it won't be probably legal. One or two, it's not a problem if you don't abuse of that, but it's fine. So this computer is that one, an HP Compaq DC 5800. So that's not a 7000 series, it's a 5000 series, but it's not a problem because the 5800 is just fine. I bought it from someone for very few value, only 25 euros. And with some upgrade and some restoration, I will see how much I can get and how much I will win. Of course, I have an advantage compared to Windows dealers mission. I have spare parts. So with spare parts, it will be easier to not increase the value or to spend money for a computer of this age to resell it, and I can get a not that bad benefit without selling it too far and too much. Let's get a look. So I've just opened it, and as you see, it's not especially clean. Even if outside it wasn't look that bad, inside it's extremely dusty. So first of all, I will clean it up because we know that it works without any problem. But of course, if it didn't work, I won't buy it from the guy. So I will start with that, make the first replacement like the CMOS battery, and after that I will see what part we will upgrade. It could be a boost this PC with the new concept I want to, but in fact this one will be resell to someone, so I won't take that as a boost this PC. But the idea is the same because with actual specs we won't go that far. Rendezvous outside for cleaning the computer. Fine, just because it starts to rain a bit with some kind of sense, I probably won't do that, and because I don't have the time, I won't record it for you. So I will try to make my best to do it without getting rainy. Just to tell, I will make it with an air compressor. My coworkers say that's not recommended to do that because the air compressor, when it take air, when it compress it, it could take some water particle, which for the component it could be rust if it's stuck on it. Honestly, in this case, I don't care because the computer is 12 years old, so it won't be a problem. Rust will coming very, very, very late, so it's fine. So sorry you will not see it. We get that for after.
So where I buy this thing? I buy this thing in marketplace from an announce. As you can see, This is a computer that it was sold for 25 euros. Say that the computer didn't work, the guy didn't know the password. I was thinking about a BIOS password you can pass, and it was easy to fix on this machine, but not. So this is why I bought it. The price was extremely correct, but there is only 1 gig of RAM, so I need to add sums, but I don't have it. The only things I've bought is the RAM. I really want to say a big thank you to the guy who sold me. As you can see, it was perfectly protected, so it's very, very good. Other parts of the upgrade will be an hard drive of 500 gigs because 250 is a bit low storage capacity, and of course an upgrade of Windows 10 compared to the Windows XP, actually installed on the machine and not supported anymore. Well, we will get a look. Now it's clean.
Everything is rebuilt, everything is in place without any upgrades. Just first, if it's still working. The answer is yes. That's pretty cool. So now I'm able to try to make some updates. Yeah, of course I didn't put back the CMOS battery, but now I'm ready to upgrade it because it really needs to be upgraded. And after that, see how much money I've spent on it. I have lots of spare parts, it will be fine, but maybe I will make some depends on it. See how many of depends I've got, how much I can sell it, and see how the benefit will be.
Then after everything installed, I just want to attempt to upgrade some parts, especially the BIOS. But unfortunately on Windows 10 upgrading the BIOS is not possible because it tells me that I'm not an administrator, even if I'm one, and I need this approbation to make the BIOS upgrade. So fortunately I didn't format the old hard disk drive. I kept that one with Windows XP installed, and on the Windows XP I also dzip the BIOS update flash, and then I was able to run it without any problem. Good thing. So I performed the BIOS update, and then when it was done I was in version 1.60 instead of 1.04. so this is a version from 2015. This is not an especially old one compared to the age of the machine, almost 7 years later. Up, here we go, and you will see on the restart that it was in version 1.60. Here we go. To just show the cleaned part, I will show this because I didn't show it before. As you can see, everything was unmounted and cleaned. Some part with water also, not the fan itself for example here, but the plastics are cleaned. As you see, the cooling system, the copper is perfectly clean, the processor also. The motherboard is completely unmounted and completely cleaned. It was only dust, but I've removed it from absolutely everything. To talk about the computer, so I've bought 25 euros. The only upgrade I was made was the 10 euros for the RAM. So a total of 35, and I resell it, yes, it's already done, 50 euros. I've also made that with another computer, a Dell Optiplex 380, that I've got it for free. I just made 38 euros of upgrade for the RAM and I resell it 100, so 62 euros of benefit. That's a really good thing.
Guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like button, hit the bell to be notified for new videos coming, and I hope I will catch you on the next one. Goodbye everyone.